How to unhide posts on Facebook timeline. So, the first step is that you should open your Facebook, click on menu found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then scroll down until you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. And then you should scroll down and look for Activity Log. If you cannot see your activity log, then you should click first on um, account settings or profile settings right here. So click on it, wait for it to load, and scroll down and again look for activity log right here. Click on activity log, scroll down and look for logged actions and other activity. Click on that one and click on hidden from profile. So right here, you may see all of the hidden posts on your profile. So to unhide the post, you just simply click on this three dots right here, and you may click on add to profile right here. Wait for it to load, and then that should work. So that's it. That's how you can unhide posts on Facebook timeline.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.